textbook trade on silver on the 5 minutes time frame. Watch the video until the end because I'm going to explain you the importance of levels on Forex market. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another Forex Trendy episode. Today I'm going to show you what happened on the Forex market and on the 5 minute time frame. This video is dedicated to all the day traders that want to trade trends. So we are going to exploit continuation patterns and see the best way and find the best way to make money on the Forex market. Remember, this is not a get quick rich business, but this is a long term, it's a marathon. So the first goal of the trader is to protect the account. You can protect the account using stop loss, having a good or many good working strategies, and setting realistic goals. Okay, so don't be in a hurry to make money because you are going to lose them. Forex market is a complicated market, it's unpredictable, so stay calm. Opportunities will show off, don't worry, will appear on the chart, so there will be always an opportunity to make money. So the first trade of the day is the euro and the Japan yen, and this is why I'm gonna was giving you this advice. We got this very nice breakout here at 37.71, but remember it's very close to the 50 level. In fact, after the breakout, the price tested the 84 level and then fell down here, retesting the 50 level, psychological level. Okay, so after this very strong retest, double bottom forming, the price started to go up, reaching the 38.25. So a nice trade. Remember about the levels, the 50 and the 00 psychological levels are very important. Make your considerations. Okay. Silver, we have a textbook trade. Nice breakout, as you can see from the candle size. The market is behaving quite good. So the breakout was fine, no retest at first, the price adding to the 00, then retesting the trend line, and then continuing to go down to 28.172. So a nice trade. I mean, I prefer this kind of charts where the candles are pretty small and the market is relatively quiet. Okay, it's going down calmly, so you have all the time to open the trade. You don't find yourself in a very volatile situation. Australian dollar and the Canadian one, the breakout was pretty good at 90.64. You know, this is kind of a situation when you are very close to the 50 level. So me personally, I will go for a scalp for the 50 level. Okay, of course I would have to analyze on the multi-time frame. Always analyze higher time frames and see what's happening on the higher floors, so you get an idea where the price is heading. So the breakout was good. The price retested the previous level at 90.75 and then went down to 90.42. So this is a nice situation for scalping, especially when you're very close to the 50 level, because the price will feel this magnet. But remember, you need a strategy to trade the market. US dollar and the Turkish lira, nice textbook trade. As you can see, we got everything in line, and we got the price retesting this zone uh, close to the 0 level and rebounding many times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. We got this bullish engulfing. Even if you see more green candles, if you go on the higher time frames, you'll find a nice green candle here. So a nice buy signal just before the breakout. But wait for the breakout, and then the price started to go up to 15.1138. Huge one. Let's jump to the Australian dollar, and as we see, we have a triangle signal break at 69.47. This is a very no situation, always because we are very close to the 50 level and expect the price to retest many times. In fact, as you can see, went back up, retesting the trend line just close to the 50. Went down the first time to the 30, and then again close to the 50 level. So remember, when you are in this kind of situation, that levels are very important. Okay. New Zealand dollar and USD, we have a sell signal breaking 63.42. This trade is still on fire. We'll see what will happen. Market is looking quite good. Nice bearish impulse. It's close to the 50 level, so I'm gonna expect a retest at least. Okay. But price action looks pretty good because we got a nice bearish impulse here. So that's it for today. Let me know what you think about this video. If you wanna other kind of videos like, I don't know, Fibonacci, copy trading, harmonic patterns, market analysis, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. So for today is everything. See you soon. Bye bye.